Here's another question on fractions, and as you can see, it's a word problem. Let's try to solve this now. Timothy ordered a large pizza that was cut into 16 slices. If he ate 4 slices, what fraction of the pizza did he eat? Solution. An interpretation of this question will help us solve it quite easily. Now, if you observe, total number of slices is 16. And then number of slices Timothy ate is 4. And remember, fraction is defined as a part of whole. So if the whole is 16 and he has taken a part which is just 4, that fraction would then be 4 out of 16. And of course, we have learned that when we have fractions like this, you have to bring it to its simplest term. And the common factor of these two numbers is 4. So when we divide both sides by 4, that is the numerator and the denominator by 4, this would give us 4 divided by 4, 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Therefore, Timothy ate 1/4 of the pizza. Now, this is how we answer word problems on fractions. Thank you.